oil change, get the auxiliary lights. A little later than what I like to have left, but decided that I keep delaying it, might as well do it now. But it's a nice day, it's not cold, the sun is out, and should be okay. Gonna take the highway all the way down to the T-Chalk, the new U-turn, and then head back into the shop. I should have left an hour ago, but the traffic it is what it is. Can't really do much about it. It's a straight road. Hopefully I can cut through and get there without any problems. So far, they've done a good job for this road. Actually, it's signal free. It's really wide, and it's almost at some points it's 8-lane highway. So the only thing is, it's just a lot of traffic, and no matter what you do, there's just traffic. But it's actually easy to get here now. It has hardly taken me about 25 minutes to get here from home, just on this road. And then right at the very end, I basically, on the main GT road, take a U-turn, go into DHA. So this, I guess it's funny that there's a mix of modern construction and commercial zones and DHAs and housing schemes, and then it's going through these old small towns, which so this is the Grand Trunk Road, and now I have to, where do I have to go? This is a good question. I came here the other day at night. It's further up. This is GT Road fun, man. Anywhere, everywhere, no rules. ये सीधी सड़क जाती है लाहौर, मंगला, गुजरात, झेलम, और there are no rules on this road. There are human beings, there are goats, there are all sorts of things. Vehicles, tractor trolleys, vans, motorcycles. मगर अगर आपको और choice ना हो तो then you have to do this. Luckily we don't have to do this. This is Giga Mall. Big mall, shit stores. The quality of shopping in Pakistani malls it's shit. It's the same old stores, zero quality product. Other than buying women's clothes and shalwar kameez, there's really nothing you can buy. So this has this is a new section of DHA, and it takes you in. These guys have good roads for riding their motorcycles. DHA Islamabad. It's also interesting how far the two sections of the city are. They insist on calling this an Islamabad city. थोड़े तो घर बन गए हैं, and then further up there's a lot of roads, a lot of homes. I have a friend who lives there, Mr. Wasim, who's also a biker. That is Roots Ivy School, this campus. My son Wali and Jahan go to the other campus. I brought Wali here for his first concert the other night. I was more nervous. He handled himself pretty cool. He's a strong kid, strong lad, knows how to handle himself. So basically, I'm just taking this detour to get to where I need to go. ठीक है, हाँ बस सही है. Okay, so we have to find the exit from the Carcroft. Decent inventory for bikes and other stuff. It's nice. So apparently there was some VIP movement, so there's a traffic block. But I've been lane splitting and been able to get out. Good to be stuck in this kind of traffic because it gives you a little bit of practice to sort of cut through lanes. And cleaning truck bhi hai. There's always a friggin' cleaning truck in peak rush hour. Lovely. You gotta enjoy this, basically. There's no other way of. Okay, so should I cut through there, or just trying to see which place? Everything seems to be moving at the same speed, I guess. there's gonna be a choke point here because there's well, what I can do is to avoid that. That's not the one, is it? Okay, that wasn't the one. So, the next interchange. Oh, so this is the interchange. I have a plan. Let's see if it works because there's going to be a lot of traffic here. Total chaos. These buses are scary, man. Well, at least this side's moving. Ooh, big bus. Well, I'm glad I'm on a motorcycle here, not the bike, not a car, because it's no fun. Yeah, everybody's pissed off at somebody. I like staying on the outside of the right lane because then it allows me to sort of lane split because there's no even speed. I mean, these guys can also then turn right and left whenever they feel like it, so there is no concept of looking in the side view mirrors. Okay, I'm gonna go up. No point staying here. Ooh, look at that traffic jam. that's the bad one. Check stop and shortcut into the city. It's a bad road, but at least I'm away from the traffic stops. So finally, I broke through all sorts of traffic jams. I mean, this was one heck of an oil change, I'll tell you that. Now I'm back in sanity. But it was good. Honestly, summer, this thing would have been difficult, but everywhere there is just a lot of traffic today. Either it's a lunch or someone is dead.